Well, hello and welcome back. Now, in this assignment-based lesson, I want you to look at a simple problem and apply a basic 5 whys analysis to it. So please, at this time, open the mind map file that came with this course and navigate to the 5 whys assignment sheet shown here. When you open that sheet, you should see a screen that looks something like this. This is the basic template of a 5 whys investigation mind map. So if you reuse this mind map for your problem solving in the future, please make sure to start off with these elements shown here in your new map. Okay, once you have the mind map open, you're going to need a problem to solve. And I would like you to come up with a problem of your own. And I suggest you start with something simple and straightforward, where you don't need necessarily the input of lots of other people, and hopefully it's a problem you're quite familiar with. If you can't think of a problem from your work, your organization or school, then think back to a past issue that you might have had, or if you want, you can even make something up. You see, the purpose here is for you to work through the 5 whys framework and actually use it and apply it to an issue. The purpose is not for you to necessarily perfectly solve whatever problem it is that you have in mind, although that would be a bonus. You see, the first time you apply this framework, or indeed any kind of management framework like this, it will feel clumsy and awkward. But like many things, the more time you work on something, the more familiar you'll become with it, and the more comfortable you're going to be adapting and using it as you feel best. So you just need to get some experience using the 5 whys model, and this lesson is where you do just that. Now, if you wish, please feel free to refer back to the example 5 whys mind map, which is also included in your mind map file shown here under 5 whys example. So as I say, success in this lesson is you applying the framework to an issue of your own choice for the first time. You do not need to do that perfectly. There's no pass or fail in this assignment. This lesson is simply designed to help you gain experience with the 5 whys model. So that's all from me for now. When you're ready, you can begin. Please feel free to use the discussion tools to share your results with the class or ask any questions you may have. Good luck, and thank you very much for your time.